Professional Educator.
Hello, Class 5 learner. Welcome into today's lesson of mathematics. The topic of the day is numbers, and the subtopic of the day is least common multiple. In simple, LCM. Now, we'll start by defining what least common multiple is. Then we look into a few multiples. Then we are going to engage each other in doing 2 or 3 sums that involves multiples. So as you can see from the graph here, a multiple of a whole number is the product of that number with another whole number. I want to go directly to the examples. The multiples of 3. I want us to look at the multiples of 3. And I want you to see that the multiples of 3 are 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, etc., etc. The multiples of 4 are 8, 12, 16, 24, 28, etc., etc. For us to understand what a multiple is, I want to guide you into understanding in a better way what a multiple is. And we shall go back to the multiples of 3. You will find that 3 multiplied by 2 will give us 6. 3 multiplied by itself will give us 9. 3 multiplied by 4 will give us 12. 3 multiplied by 5 will give us 15. 3 multiplied by 6 will give us 18. And 7 multiplied by 3 will give us 21. These are not the only multiples that we have. They may be very many. But for the purpose of example, I wanted us to see that the multiples of 3 are those numbers that you get after multiplying 3 with that number. The multiples of 4 are the results of a multiplication of 4 with that other number. So let us look at the multiples of 6. The multiples of 6 include 12, 18, 24, and I want us to proceed and see. We have 30, we have 36, and 42. These are the multiples of 6. There may be others above 42, but for our example, we are going to reach there. The multiples of 18 include 2 times 8 will give us 16. 8 times 3 will give us 24. 8 times 4 will give us 32. Then 8 times 5 will give us 40. 8 times 6 will give us 48. And 8 by 7 will give us 56. So as you can see, multiples are those numbers that have been multiplied by 8 to give us any of these results and many others. Let us look further onto the multiples of 12. The multiples of 12 include 24, which is 12 times 2, 36, which is 12 times 3, 48, which we get from 12 times 4, then we go to 60, which is 12 times 5,